Here's how to remove your YouTube account from other devices in 2026. If this helps, make sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open Safari or Chrome on your iPhone and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign into the Google account that's linked to your YouTube account. Once you're signed in, tap on Security. Scroll down until you see your devices. Tap on Manage Devices. Here you'll see every phone, tablet, computer, or TV where your YouTube account is signed in. Tap on the device you don't recognize or want to remove. Then tap Sign Out to remove your YouTube account from that device. If you see suspicious activity, I recommend changing your Google password right away. And that's it. Your YouTube account is now removed from other devices. Don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube and Google tips.